hidden valley, a freshwater spring whispered life into the land. "We are the guardians," said the water, nurturing rare plants and creatures. The spring's gentle flow carved paths, creating homes for vibrant fish and delicate flowers. "We thrive because of you," chirped the birds, their songs echoing through the lush canopy. The spring's purity attracted animals from afar, forming a harmonious community. "Together, we flourish," the creatures agreed, celebrating their shared existence. As the sun set, the valley glowed with unity. Remember, even the smallest source can sustain life. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.